One of the great advantages to there being an abundant supply of frozen fruits in the freezer section in the grocery store is that you can make fruit smoothies year-round, even in winter. Here it is a few days before Thanksgiving, and I'm able to make still delicious fruit smoothies. It's better during the summer when there are fresh fruits, but when there aren't an abundant supply of fresh fruits, you use frozen. So let's make this smoothie. I'm going to make another triple berry smoothie this time, a little bit different from the one that I made last time. Into my blender jar, I'm going to put 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters of pomegranate juice. And then 1/2 cup, about 120 grams of yogurt. This is just plain yogurt. You can use vanilla yogurt in this recipe just as well. It'll give you a nice vanilla flavor. Okay, so that's 1/2 cup of yogurt. Then 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. I did a lot of these by weight, so this was 75 grams of frozen strawberries. 1/2 cup, 75 grams of frozen blueberries, and then 1/2 cup frozen raspberries. This came in at 60 grams. And then optional, I try to do it often, I like to put in a little bit of seed, either chia seed or flax seed. I'm going to put in less than a tablespoon, just to give it a little bit more nutrition. All right, put my lid on and blend this up. All right, there's my smoothie. There is my smoothie. I took a taste of this. It's not overly sweet. You can just fill that glass up. If you want it sweeter, you can add some honey or some stevia. But I found that it was fine the way it is. All right, let's drink my smoothie. So there it is, my triple berry smoothie. Put a stainless steel straw in there so I don't give myself a purple mustache. I've done that. That's nice. The flavor that most comes forward is the flavor of the raspberries, but I can taste the other fruit in there. And it's not overly sweet. It's got a fruity flavor to it. I don't like things too sweet, but if you like a sweeter smoothie, you can put in some honey or some stevia. So excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my triple berry smoothie.